Alright, welcome to my first beat making tutorial, GarageBand 2021. How to make generic dark trap beat. But if you want me to do a complete beginner's tutorial on how to use GarageBand iOS, if you never made a beat before, you're a complete beginner, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make a separate tutorial on how to get started. But let's just dive into this tutorial. Alright, first our tempo is set to 116 BPM. Alright, so we're just gonna go through this track by track. First, we have Analog Silk preset. Here's what this sounds like. As you can see, I'm using the dark brassy setting. Then I layer that with this bass. Colossal Synth Bass is the name of the preset. And I have it set to deep sustain setting. Also, here are the chords that I'm playing for the brass sound. It's just that same 2-chord progression. It's just the same 2-chord progression over and over again. I also layer that with some bell sound. I'm using the Atlantean Bells preset set to damp setting. Now over here I have a percussive loop. On GarageBand iOS there's a feature known as Drummer. Basically what that does is it will generate drum loops for you depending on the settings you set it to. And typically how I like to generate my percussive loop, I don't include the kicks and snare. I usually like to program the kicks and snares myself, and I'll have the drummer generate some hi-hats and other percussive elements for me. And then I like to layer that with my own drum sounds. So here are the settings, and this is what it sounds like. Alright, cool. Let's move on to the drop. Basically I have the same chord progression playing with the drummer. I have the 808 coming in from my 100 kit. Link is in the description down below if you want to purchase. But I'll also have a free kit for you guys so you guys can follow along with this tutorial. That will also be in the description down below. Here are the notes for the 808. I'm using the rim shot as my downbeat. And I have a basic hi-hat pattern, 16th beat. Alright, so once we get to the 17th bar, as you can see I brought the Atlantean Bells. Everything stays the same except I decided to spice up my hi-hat pattern a little bit. Now for the brass sound, I could have just pitched the chord progression octave higher, but instead what I decided to do, what I did was I duplicated my Analog Silk setting. I'm using the light brassy preset. This sounds like, and here's what that sounds like. That was a quick little tutorial slash breakdown on how to make your first beat on GarageBand iOS 2021. My first tutorial of 2021. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I go live. I live stream every Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. On Friday, I give live feedbacks of your music / instrumentals, so if you want me to review your music, send it to me at beatsforlari@gmail.com. Alright, that'll do it for me for today. Thanks for rocking with me. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.